Hello everyone. So welcome sa episode 2 ng ating Pasagot Please. Where ang content natin is you will give me uh, questions relevant to what's happening to our community. It's either technical, um, any issues related to it, and etc. So, sa second episode natin, in this second episode is that we're going to tackle about what if we do have a problem with our computer doesn't have a flash player. Um, how are we going to fix it for us to use a flash um, issue on a specific application or when you try to check on a website. So there's a tendency that we might encounter issues related to Adobe Flash Player that we need to install it. So I'm going to teach you on how to fix it, on how to enable the Flash Player. This is a very simple step. So let's start. So first is let's cite an example. Like for this one, so I just opened this one and it's indicated as Adobe Flash Player is blocked. So you might have encountered this one already. So in order to fix this one, there is no need for us to install a Adobe Flash Player. If you have a Google Chrome has its own built-in Flash player, so we'll just have to enable the Flash player on the Google Chrome and then we will fix this issue. So first is open the Google Chrome, like this one, and then go to the three dot indicated on the above, right above your browser. So below the X button. So you can just click in here and then select the settings, right? So let's just wait. It's kind of loading. Mm-hmm. Yep, takes time. All right. So once we are here on the settings, on the settings, I will just have to select on the privacy and security. So I just select this one. And then once you selected the privacy and security, you will get into this site settings. So you have just to click this. All right. Yeah, after clicking that one, you can scroll down. So by scrolling down, you can see in here the flash. So by clicking this one, flash black sites and running flash. So you just have to click it, click that one, and then we'll go in here. So the flash settings will be kept until you quit the Chrome. So you just have to block the running flash. So for this to enable, you just have to click this one. Yeah, ask first so that in order like if there's a website that requires Adobe Flash, you'll just have to enable it. So you just have to ask first if you have to enable or not because the recommended settings for Chrome is to keep it disabled. All right. Okay. So once you've enabled it, you can just close this one. And then now let's try. So we can refresh there. And then once you have refreshed, you can just click this one and then allow. Just click allow. All right. There, it's loading there. So you can see that the Flash has been enabled with the Adobe Chrome. So there's no need to install Adobe Flash Player application. You just have to go to the Google Chrome and enable the Flash settings for Google. All right, thank you. So that's it. So hope you get another lesson you learned about enabling for Adobe Flash Player. Thank you, and for more videos, just subscribe and like this video for more upcoming answered questions.